Morning student, how are you? Hope doing well at your home. Today I am going to teach you about ODD, Oppositional Defiant Disorder. Oppositional Defiant Disorder. What is oppositional defiant disorder? It is a set or a group of behavior disorder is called ODD. And what type of behavior disorder, that is disruptive 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 group of behavior is called ODD. Before understanding ODD, we should understand the meaning of mental health. Oppositional defiant disorder is one of the most common mental health disorder found in children and adolescents. What is mental health and how we can came to know about mental health? As we all are living in a society, what type of work we are doing? If we do our work in proper and in efficient way, it is called mental health. Mental health can be said that in a simple way, that if you are doing your work in a proper, in a best efficient way, in a society or in a school or in a home. Before mental health, I had write a word here, that is disruptive. That is a group of behavior that forms ODD. And what are the group of behaviors? The group of behaviors are as follows. Behave like a rebel. We commonly see in our social life, or we are studying in a class or a school in a group. We often see these in a common way. Argue with adults. Many times we argue at home and in class or in our school or while playing with the friends. Refuse to obey is one of the common. Exhibit anger outburst and have hard time to in controlling anger. Outburst, suddenly we got angry and it is to our extreme level. At that time we are unable to control our anger and do certain wrong things, and results are very destructive. Uncooperative, as we are unable to cooperate with our friends in our school. We are unable to cooperate with our mother and father. Even they are unable to cooperate with their son and daughters. Symptoms of ODD. I had already told you about the disruptive group of behavior. We had understand what are the disruptive group of behavior and mental health. If our mental health is not good or in a proper way, we are unable to do certain work in a certain time or in an efficient way. One of them is they deliberately annoy and upset their individuals while working with them, with their friends, at home with their mother and father. They, while doing work, instead of doing work good, they upset the individuals and they are unable to do work. They always try to blame for their mistake is one of the common we generally see if our mental health is not good. show revengeful attitude. If our mental health is not good, we will try to show revengeful attitude towards the others. Difficulty in making friends. It is very important. They always face difficulty in making friends because they are uncooperative and they are unable to control their anger. All these things we are talking about in a mental health. हमारी मानसिक शक्ति, सोचने की, समझने की और कार्य करने की शक्ति अच्छी होगी तो हम बेटर काम कर सकते हैं, अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं। मेंटल हेल्थ का यही मीनिंग है। और अगर हम अच्छा काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो we find some of the symptoms of ODD. They display angry and irritable moods. Even we can recognize by their face, by their actions. Suddenly they are angry, extreme angry with their colleagues and with a group of friends in which they are living and doing various kinds of work. Optional deficient disorder or ODD. We had come to know about mental health and symptoms. If our mental health is not well, we can always see or find the causes of ODD, and it is a combination or a group of various factors. And one of the important factor is biological and genetic. What are biological factors? If parents with a history of ADHD, if the parents, their previous history is ADHD or ODD, children may also affect with ODD if their parents have depression. Depression is a situation, it can be in a group or in a individual. Or bipolar disorder. What is bipolar disorder? That is all I had again tell you and again telling you about the condition of our mental health. How we do our work, how we reflect our work. We are able to do our work in a right time and in a proper way. That is mental condition. Second is physical factor. The presence of ODD have been linked to existence of abnormal amount of some brain chemicals. And what are these chemicals do? These brain chemical is known as neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters. And what neurotransmitters does are responsible for function of our body activities. It is best for our well-being to have in a state or balance in our brain. In common way we can understand neurotransmitter. It is a signal that is attached to the nervous system, and signals are sent to the various organs and sense organs. If the signal is not forming a single pattern or related to another parts of our system, it breaks. Then we are unable to do some physical works, or we are unable to do our brain related works. And what are the brain functions? Important are imbalance exits and message are not communicated properly. I had already given you example. The message we are unable to receive in a proper way with other parts of the brain. The symptoms of ODD may occur. If we are unable to receive from one part to another, then we lack many things and we are unable to do or evaluate properly. Another is psychological factor. Psychological factor play an important role in ODD and even in our mental health. Parents, it has been seen, parents, they have neglectful, parents are having inability to develop social relation with their child, or a child is unable to express his feelings or emotions with the parents. Social factor, it is also important. In social factors, divorce and property play an important role. In social factor, if the environment of the family is, sometimes it is so confused that even they are unable to understand the real situation. Even a child is also so confused what to do and what to not do. In that environment, in the family, and exposure to the violence, it always lead to a violence. In a social factors, it is important to understand the social factor very well. Oppositional defiant disorder may be due to the inconsistent discipline. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. What is OCD? Obsessive compulsive disorder is a mental health. Again, it is a mental health. It depends upon a mental health disorder that affects people of all ages. It may occur when an individual gets caught in a cycle of obsessions and compulsion. We have to understand, if we want to understand OCD, we have to understand two words that are very important. First is obsessions. What is the meaning of obsession? Second is compulsion. Compulsion. To understand OCD, we have to understand these two words, obsession and compulsion. It means disturbing thoughts, and compulsion means forced to do something, forced to do something. compulsion, force to do something, and that are especially rituals. Rituals are related to our religion, and we follow many types of religion in our country. I would like to give you one example. For example, a person may fear that everything he touches has germs. So he tried to get rid of the fear, washes hands again and again. In this example, if we touch anything, fear that while touching anything he or she touches has germs, whatever he touch. So if we want to get rid of that fear, he washes his hand again and again. Person suffering from OCD might understand that their obsessions are unreasonable, but trying to stop or ignore their causes anxiety and stress. If they are washing their hands again and again and repeating the same activity again and again, if we try to stop them or try to tell them or ignore them, they may cause stress and anxiety. Main obsessions are: first is a fear of harm, a fear of harm to yourself or loved one. Second, fear of getting dirty, a fear of getting dirty. These are some of the main common obsessions. I had told you the meaning of obsession: disturbing thoughts. As it is related to our mental health, these thoughts came again and again in their mind. A fear of getting dirty. Although they are not dirty, but their mind is sending a signal to do it again and again. And there are many more. A fear of being embraced or making mistakes again and again. They do simple mistakes. I had given you example of washing hands. They try to wash their hands again and again. B is main compulsion. I had already told you about main obsessions. B is main compulsion, and I had told you the meaning of compulsion: forced to do something. Or it can be said that a person with OCD are plagued by constant thoughts of fear that causes them to perform rituals or routine. To perform rituals or routine. routines, and the main compulsions are, examples are, example, constant praying, it is directly related to our mental health. To perform rituals or routine, constant praying again and again. Second, repeating specific words, repeating specific words, repeat again and again. And common is bathing or washing several times. Bathing and washing several times. Action or doing work is repeated again and again. In main compulsion, constant praying, repeating specific words, bathing and washing several times. Or we can understand like this: moving anything and keeping in a place in a exact order, or repeating it again and again. Causes of OCD. The causes of OCD suggest that there may be a problem with the way one part of the brain sends information to the another part, and serotonin is the chemical in the brain that sends message from one part to the another. Insufficiency of serotonin may help in causing OCD. If a serotonin is a chemical that helps in sending message to a brain. If there is a deficiency or insufficiency of serotonin, it may cause OCD.